Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a logo on Wix. So let's go to the browser first, and you have to write here this search box, wix.com/logo/maker. Now hit enter. Now you have to click on this get my logo. Create yourself, or you can hire a professional if you want. I'm clicking on create yourself or create a logo. Now you have to write here the business type. I'm writing here the business type, travel agency. Click on next. What vibe do you want to for your logo? I'm clicking on fresh. You have to name your business name here. Right here Techavro. Click on next. One click solution, the slogan. Here you can find many logo. All you have to choose one logo you like this one. Now click on customize your logo. Now here you can change your text color, or change your text, or change the name if you want. You can change it from here. You can change the font. Click on change and many font up, that's up to you. Okay, now click on style extra light. You can make it black or you can make it bold, that's up to you, but I'm making black. You can change the alignment you want. It will be like this. You can change the text color. Okay, you can change the text width, outline width, like this, and it will be like this. You can change the size, text size, small or big, and you can change the rotation, and all you change these settings from here. Symbols, shapes, anything so you can change. After that, complete the editing part. You have to click on next. Okay, now click on I just need a logo. Now you can see that brand plus you need to buy this is not for free. You have to buy this $5 for 1 month, $50 for expanded logo set, just an essentials with $20. After complete the payment, you can download the logo. Okay guys, so this is how you can create a logo on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.